Big breaking news coming in mission vaccination for India. The Serum Institute of India has applied to the Drug Controller General of India for permission to manufacture the Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine. That's the big news coming in, and Sneha Murdani is joining us live for further details on that. Sneha, that is big news, and why precisely? What is the plan for the Serum Institute of India with seeking this permission as well for Sputnik V?
That's right, Pooja. Serum Institute of India is the world's largest vaccine manufacturing company. They already have the permission to manufacture Novavax and Covishield that we are seeing in the country. So this would be, if all goes well, the third vaccine that Serum is going to manufacture from its Pune facility. The permission for the same has been sought from the DCGI. The talks have been ongoing. If the permission comes through, Pooja, then we will have 6 companies making Sputnik V in India. So this is going to be the 6th company to make these vaccines in India. But here's the catch. Number one, Serum is going to have to do bridging studies of the vaccine that it makes, because once the vaccines are made, the bridging trials, their approval needs to come in through from the regulator. The same is the case with Heterodrug, which has got the permission and now is going to go ahead and do the bridging studies. Panacea Biotech also is another company that is doing so. So it's going to be a while before we see made in India doses from Serum Institute or from any of the 5 companies. But eventually this is going to enhance the capacity, the production ramping up of Sputnik V in the country. And I think that is extremely important from the point of view of narrowing the gap between doses, the requirement of doses, the supply, and what is being given out right now. So clearly, it's a move in the right direction. And this is going to be, like I said, a made-in-India vaccine then.
Very important. So we'll wait and watch if this approval comes through and if it will fasten the process as well. Sneha Murdani with all the details.